Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. Still reviewing a lot of Piper Cherokee 140 cruiser I have. In this case the brand is Academy and Minicraft. It's a partnership, I think, with this very nice livery of this Piper Cherokee. It's a real picture of the model kit already built in 1/48th scale. Okay, that's from Academy and Minicraft. This is a Korean one. The box the same size like the Minicraft and Bandai. Kind of strong, medium box strong. The same cover of this side. The barcode, and manufactured in the Republic of Korea by Academy Model Corporation Ltd, Seoul, Korea. Some descriptions in many languages: English, French, Korean, Spanish, German, and maybe that's Chinese, I think. The number for the catalog, for the Academy and Minicraft catalog, is 1610 or 1610. Well, at the back nothing, no big deal, still partially wrapped in its original clear cellophane. We'll open the box and see all the contents. Original ones, except for this display stand. I bought it on eBay from a seller who had a lot of display stands without aircraft. This is from Easy Model. That's the brand, Easy Model. So I will apply this right here. The Minicraft or Academy logo on this sign. It's just removable, and this is very suitable for this model, for the scale, etc. Let's take the parts out and start with building instructions with the same cover. They are using the same moldings like Minicraft and Bandai, etc. The model got 46 pieces, dimensions 14.4 centimeters long by 19 centimeters wingspan. Piper Cherokee 1/48 scale. Short history. Oh, that's water stickers. Short history with the markings on this page, with the logo, Piper logo, and how to paint the blue and white stripes, because it's not with the water stickers of this. You have to paint the blue zones, or we have to paint the blue zones. First step, building the cockpit floor and seats, assembling the cockpit floor and seat with the main wing halves, 3 halves as always. Same, they are using the same moldings like the other brands. The panel control, fuselage halves with windows, side windows, the panel control, assembling the horizontal stabilizer, 1 solid mold, the fuselage with the wings, the nose landing gear with this panel for the engine. Step number 5, assembling the Decals engine with the supports and exhaust pipes. Assembling the windshield to the fuselage, the engine, the bottom cowling with the propeller with 2 blades propeller. Assembling the rest of the landing gear struts with boots. The cowling, the top cowling, not cementing, please, because you could show the detailed engine, the sprue map with all the pieces and the codes to glue, not to glue, cut, etc. Optional parts, etc. The painting list: white, yellow, red, blue, grey, gunmetal, green, silver and black. From Academy Minicraft. It's a partnership. And a little catalog at the back of these building instructions. Other aircraft you could get in the same scale, 1/48 and 1/72. The water stickers I already cut. Some Cherokee logo, the white letters, the black letters for the registrations. It's generic for the Piper, the Cessna. They use the same water sticker for many model kits. So that's in very good condition, no need to restore. Let's check the parts. The fuselage, the same mold like the other model kits I reviewed, the same one. Very nice fitting, no slots, no pins, so you have to calculate very good the assembling, okay, and smooth panel lines, typical filling and sanding for avoiding the seams. The 3/2 wing, main wing, okay, this is the bottom and these ones are the top. Clear parts: the windshield with the central support, you have to paint it. This is the reflector. These are the side windows for this aircraft. Another thing, it's a little sign with the name of the aircraft embossed on this. Very interesting. Let's check this other part, this other sprue on this clear plastic bag with the propeller, with 2 blades propeller, the main panel controls, another panel for the engine, engine parts, the cockpit floor, the seats, the exhaust pipes, engine struts, etc. The cowlings, the horizontal stabilizer, 1 solid mold, the cowling button and the top, not for gluing it, in order to remove this and see the detailed engine. The boots for the landing gear, the halves, and this is for the nose landing gear. This is for the sign with the name of the aircraft, embossed name of the aircraft, Piper Cherokee. The display stand looks very nice for this. This is not original for this model kit, but it looks like very nice, very neat, very elegant for this brand. No problem, I will approve this. Oh, very nice. Very nice art, this world of the model kits. Well, that's it for now. This interesting review of this model kit from Academy Minicraft with this livery version. Thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.